Good morning, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike here at Toledo Bend Lake, making another video today. Today's video is a barrel test run on Steph's motor, the 1971 9.5 horsepower Evinrude, model number 9122R. I mean, this motor is coming out great. Got it all rebuilt. Still gotta paint the control panel and waiting on decals. Got the hood right here painted up with some new trim put on it, and she runs great. Watch how this thing starts. Runs pretty darn good. Watch this little short pull to get it started. Hey, it don't get much better than that. I love it, I love it. It's going to be a nice one, Steph. It's coming out really good. Next step is lake test run and decals, and she'll be ready. See y'all next video. Thanks for watching the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, please click on subscribe and tell all your friends about T-Mike's Vintage Outboards YouTube channel. Also, I have dozens of links below in the description. You can find my eBay store, all the parts I have in there. You can find my trusted T-Mike parts, where I make kits for fuel pump conversions, for your carburetors, for your magnetos and your gear cases. You also have a link for my mail-in repair service, how to send me your parts to repair and send them back to you. Also a link in there for technical consulting if you need some help with your vintage motors. So I love what I do. I love all the videos that you guys have requested for me to make. Keep the requests coming in, and I'll keep making the videos. And remember, always remember, and never forget, here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.